The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessing be upon him, said, peoples are like mines, just as there are mines of gold and silver. Those who were better in the days of ignorance, prior to embraces Islam, are also better after accepting Islam, provided they were understanding of deen. In this hadith, men have been compared with mines. Various contains different minerals, some of which are more valuable, like gold and silver, while others are less valuable, like coal and lime. Similarly, different men have different qualities and habits, because of which some have higher rank and some have lower rank. Again, so long as gold and silver remains unexplored, those not have the value, but this acquire value only after being taken out of the mines. In the same manner, as long as a man remains hidden in the darkness of infidelity, though he may have any measure of generosity or bravery, he does not impair that value which he would gain once he has embraced Islam and acquired the knowledge of Deen.